about learning targets and how they impact your learning. So can you just tell me what is a learning target?
A learning target is like what your goal is, and it's just like you're concentrating on this one thing.
Okay, good, great. Why do you think your teachers post and discuss the learning targets during class?
So you know what you're trying to do, and like you have to answer for your questions.
Okay. How does the learning target help you as a learner?
It helps me because I can rate it, and it helps me know what we're going to do today.
Okay. And explain one of the learning targets that you're working on in language arts class, and tell me maybe some activities that we've done or that you've done that go along one of the learning targets.
I can read fluent because we're doing poems and you get to partner up with your friends, and I really enjoy that.
Okay. All right. Do you feel like that helps you with your fluency?
Yeah.
That you become a more, I don't want to say faster reader, but a more articulate reader, and you have more emotion and things like that with your reading?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, Michaela, I'm interested in finding out if you can explain to me what a learning target is. What is a learning target?
A learning target is a target that helps you to know what we're focusing on for that week or that couple days.
Okay, great. So why do you think that teachers would post learning targets in their classrooms?
So if you're working on a project and you forget like what the project's supposed to be about, you can look up at the learning target to help you.
Helps you refocus. Very, very good. How does the learning target help you? How has it helped you in our class?
Well, one time when I was writing a paper, you had something on the board and you erased it, and I couldn't figure out what it was, and then I looked up at the learning target and it reminded me what I was supposed to write about.
Very, very good. Can you explain one of the learning targets? Actually, if you could pick either language arts or social studies, and tell me, you could read the learning target and then explain it kind of in your own words, or give me an example of something we're doing in class that relates to it.
Okay, well in social studies we have a target that says I can read and create timelines with evenly spaced intervals, which is telling, right now in class we are working on George Washington timelines.
Oh, okay. And did you do that today?
Yeah, I finished mine today.
Wonderful. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Miss Ayhan.
Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm just going to ask Luke a couple questions about learning targets. Luke, what is a learning target?
It's something that helps you learn all about the subject.
Okay. And why do you think that I post the learning targets and then we discuss the learning targets during class?
Because if you don't discuss them, you will not know the stuff you have to know if there's like a test coming up.
Okay. And how does the learning targets posted help you?
Sometimes we do home journal. If I get stuck on something, I look up here at the learning targets, and it helps me tell like what we did this week.
And then can you take a look at some of the learning targets? Can you explain maybe one of the learning targets, what it means to you, maybe some activities that we did during class to hit that learning target?
I can conversions within the metric system.
Okay.
We did study links that it was like kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters, and it was hard. It was like some were tricky, some were not, and it was fun, and we did a metric packet this week that was all about the metric system.
Awesome. Thank you, Luke.